Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Juliette's Joie de Vivre. So today I have a home update for you guys, and we are in my home office. So yes, check out the shelving behind me. Yeah. You guys are loving the way it looks. Keep on watching this video. So as you guys can see currently right now, I just have these two art pieces back on this back wall. But I've had it maybe like for 2 or 3 months now, and I'm just not feeling it. Like, I don't know, something about it is just not really like hitting it for me. So I'm thinking to like move the art pieces to different walls, still in the room, because I do still like them. I just don't like where they're placed right now. And yeah, so my plan, what I'm setting up today is putting 3 shelves. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, just 3 black shelves that I got from CB2. And then just putting some different objects on it, just something a little bit more stylized and super minimal as well. Of course, you guys know that. So yeah, I'm thinking I probably might actually have to do 1 at a time. I just don't think I have enough space to do 3 at a time. So let me just set up like the rods to do the 1 and screw them on. And yeah, I'm gonna have to do 1 at a time for sure. I'm just about to start fastening the boards, the wood shelves to the frame, just with the Allen wrench that came in the package of all the nuts and bolts and screws and all that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get into putting like the top bar onto the shelving, and then 1 will be done. That probably took me longer than planned, but God, being pregnant, like, getting up and down and just doing the simplest things is so hard. Like, I'm out of breath today. It's not like this every day, but today I'm just like, getting up was really hard. Very, very hard. Oi. Okay, so 1 shelf down and 2 more to go. Let me show you guys how it's looking. Oh, it's heavy. Ooh. That sound probably wasn't too good. Is it readjusting? Oh, I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so this is it. It's beautiful. I just love how clean, minimalistic it looks. It's stunning. I hope you guys can see that. I don't even know what's in the shot or not. But yeah, let me move it back to that wall so you guys can probably see it a bit better. On second thought, it's heavy. I'm not moving it. Oy. Yeah, I'm gonna have Ryan move that over there, because now that it's all stacked up, this bad boy's pretty heavy. So yeah, I'm not lifting that. We'll be back. Okay, so as you guys can see, the shelves are now up on the wall. They've been mounted. So now I'm just getting ready to put all the goodies, all the books and vases, just all the items that I'll be using to style the shelves. Let's get into the items that I'm working with that will be going onto the shelves. So I've got about, I'd say 10 to 20 coffee table books, just different, fashion books, design books, different topics that I'm into. So those are mostly there. And then of course we have a globe, which I think works so well in an office space. It's always nice to just have a classic globe, but this is a little bit modernized. And yeah, so we got vases, we got some candle holders. This is a candle holder object there. And let me come around this way. Just some more coffee table books, picture frames, some more objects like vases and just different geodes, different objects from the earth. Over here, just some different rocks and geodes and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, more vases and of different sizes. Like we got this really tall vase and then some smaller vases. Definitely you want to make sure that you guys have a bunch of different sized items. You don't want everything to be too much on the smaller side or too much on the bigger side. So just make sure you have like big vases, small vases, big books, small books, just a bunch of items in different sizes, and you should be in good hands. A little detail about these shelves. So these are the 72 inches tall, like the 72 inches tall shelves. And the way I spaced them out, like you can see like right here, like here's the biggest space. And then like in between here, like here and here, if you can see where I'm pointing to. It's kind of getting blurry, but like the space here and the space there, those are the smaller space in between for, you know, when you're setting it up. And then the bigger space, again, I put like right over here. My camera's going in and out of focus, so hopefully you guys know what I mean. Pretty much, I just spaced it out where the biggest amount of like wall is on the outsides of the shelving, and then the smaller space in between in the center of the wall, if that makes sense. So to start off, I'm gonna put like my favorite items, like the objects I just like love the most. I'm gonna set them up in the middle shelf just so they have the most eye-grabbing spot, just so they have the most focal focus point. So I really love this globe, so I'm definitely going to give it a nice front and center location. There we go. Put it in Africa because that's where I represent. And let's go next with, I'm loving these from CB2. So let's put this here, and we'll do this as well. Okay, and then we could probably go into some books. Yeah, I'll set these ones here. I like those books, but they're not my favorite books. But these ones are my favorite currently. So we'll put these here. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna start filling it all up. So this part's gonna be done in like 30 seconds. But it probably actually took me like 20 minutes to do this part. Okay. Okay, so here we go. This is the final reveal. Let me go in for a closer look so you guys can just see what we're all working with here. There we go. And I left this one blank here because I'm looking to get a printer. So that will be like my functional shelving, you know, things I actually need to run my business, you know, so my printer will go there. And everything else is pretty much just decor, you know, just for the, you know, things that mean something to me and just things that I like. I think that just looks really good and makes a statement. So there we have it, you guys. Boom. Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful to update your office, your home office space. I really love the statement and how this is just like more of a wow factor compared to the art that I had there before. So I really think it's a very nice upgrade. So if you guys love this video, please be sure to subscribe and like this video and come on back for some more. We'll see you soon. Bye.